Division. Equal sharing. Equal sharing means grouping something equally. Mohit has 12 mangoes. He wants to share these with his 4 friends by placing them equally into 4 baskets. He puts them one by one. He starts putting 1 mango in each basket. Now, he is left with 8 mangoes. He adds 1 more mango to each basket. Now, he is left with 4 mangoes. He again puts 1 more mango in each basket. Now, he is left with 0 mangoes. So, each basket has 3 mangoes. In this way, 12 mangoes were divided equally. The division statement is read and written as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. This is the symbol used for division. Repeated subtraction. Kavita has to sell 15 apples. She decided to make packets with 5 apples in each. How many packets will she need to pack all of them? Kavita has 15 apples. She decides to put 5 apples in a packet. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. She is left with 10 apples. She again packs another 5 apples in the second packet. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. She is left with 5 apples. She still has 5 apples left. She puts these 5 apples in another packet. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. She is left with 0 apples. Here, repeated subtraction has been done 3 times. Thus, she makes 3 packets for packing 15 apples. The division sentence for this sharing is written like this. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. The repeated subtraction method involves subtracting away the same number from a given number till the answer is 0. Relation between multiplication and division. Let us look at these baskets of mangoes. There are 4 mangoes in each basket. How many mangoes are there altogether in 5 baskets? 5 groups of 4 gives 20. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So, there are 20 mangoes in 5 baskets altogether. Now, we need to place 20 mangoes equally into 5 baskets. How many mangoes are there in each basket? There are 4 mangoes in each basket. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. For each multiplication sentence, there are 2 division sentences. This means, if the multiplication statement is 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, we can make 2 division statements. These are 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Division using number line. We can use a number line for division. For example, divide 18 by 3. Check how the frog hops back from 18. To find the answer to 18 divided by 3, start moving backward from the number 18. Subtract 3 from 18 and hop to 15. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. Subtract 3 from 15 and hop to 12. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Subtract 3 from 12 and hop to 9. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Subtract 3 from 9 and hop to 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Subtract 3 from 6 and hop to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Subtract 3 from 3 and hop to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. The frog has hopped backwards 6 times. Thus, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Division facts. When a number is divided by itself, the result is always 1. How many groups of 4 balls can be made using 4 balls? And we can make 1 group from them. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. When we divide a number by 1, the result is the number itself. How many groups of one ball can be made using 4 balls? And we can make 4 groups using 1 ball in each group. So 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Divide 18 by 3. Step 1. Recall the multiplication table of 3 until we reach 18. We see that 6 times 3 is 18. Step 2. Divide the numbers. Write 6 here and 18 below 18 and subtract it. A division sum has 4 parts: divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. This is the quotient. This is the dividend. This is the divisor and this is the remainder. Thus, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6.